Okay, here in this question, we have a hydraulic punch press with a maximum capacity of 100 kips, meaning that the maximum load that it can apply is 100 kips. And then we're going to use this punch press to punch circular holes in an aluminum plate. So this is our plate, this is the punch press, and here is where the plate is punched. The thickness of this plate is 3/8 inch, and the average shear resistance of the plate is 30 ksi. And now the question is asking what's the maximum diameter of hole that can be punched using this hydraulic punch press. We can use this simplified diagram to solve this question, and the most important thing to remember is to use the right area as the shear area. So in the equation of shear stress, we have V over AS, and I think the most important thing is to use the right shear area, which is shown here with the blue color, not this area. Okay, so if we write the equation of equilibrium in the y direction, we can say P minus V is equal to 0. So V would be equal to P, or 100 kips, and we know the average shear stress is equal to V divided by AS. So 30 is equal to 100 divided by AS. So AS is 10/3 square inches. As we said earlier, AS is this blue area shown here in the diagram, which is actually the perimeter of this circle multiplied by this thickness. So we can write AS is equal to pi d multiplied by t. So using these two, we have d equal to AS divided by pi t, or 10/3 divided by pi multiplied by 3/8. So d max is approximately equal to 2.83 inches. So this would be the maximum diameter of hole that can be punched using this hydraulic punch press. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. That's a great way to support us. If you like this video, press the like button, and if you have any comments or suggestions, feel free to write for us in the comment sections. Thanks, and see you in the next videos.